Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I just got back from the market. I went to buy a few stuff, a few groceries that I'll show you soon. Please stay tuned, and I hope you'll enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed filming it for you guys. For the new viewers, please consider subscribing to my channel. Let's reach 500 subscribers, and also don't forget to like if you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below and share this video with the family and friends. Let's reach 500 subscribers, guys. Anyway, enjoy this video and bye.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette.
A few moments later.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. got drunk off your love, and I
2
lost
days
myself
later.
again. You hit just like a drug. This time I won't let you in. You're playing with fire. No, I didn't numb the pain, but this time I won't collapse like I did yesterday. You broke my heart once again. I won't buy the dust in return. I can't give it, I can't give it, I won't give in this time. You broke my heart once again. Well, you're bad, but you're bad it for me. I can't give it, I can't give it. I've already run with the wolves, far from the light of the day. I can't go back to you, I'm stronger today. Been to the dark side, I don't know. So if you wanna shoot far away, I won't go back to you. I'm stronger, I'm stronger, I'm stronger today. I'm stronger today. Tú tienes la pócima para enloquecerme, pero voy a draw the line, que yo ya sé que es de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away. Sé que como un trofeo quieres tenerme, pero I don't need no one, que yo ya sé.
The next day.
So guys, this is the next day. The fridge is pretty empty. It's pretty empty, but we'll get stuff so that we can fill the fridge. We'll get stuff so that we can fill the fridge, and I'll show you once the fridge is full. Just oranges. Stay tuned to see the fridge tour after we've gone shopping, and how I'll show you the tour. Right now it's pretty empty.
A few moments later.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.